Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to show average sales totals in a text table. Let's get started. We'll create a text table that help users to determine which region has the highest average sales for each product within each category and subcategory. Step 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. Step 2. Build a text table showing sales by region, category, and subcategory. Drag category from the data pane to rows. And then expand it to show subcategory. Drag region from the data pane to columns. Drag sales from the data pane and drop it over the ABC placeholders in the view. Now, add subtotals and grand totals. Click the Analysis menu, point to Totals. And click Show Row Grand Totals. Click the Analysis menu, point to Totals. And click Show Column Grand Totals. Click the Analysis menu, point to Totals. And click Add All Subtotals. Let's change the aggregation for sales to average and the subtotal and grand total labels. On the marks card, click the sales drop-down arrow, point to measure. And click average. In the view, right-click total, click format. And in the header pane, under totals, change the text for the label to average. Right-click column grand total, click format, and in the header pane, under grand totals, change the text for the label to average. Repeat this process for row grand total. Great work! You've created a text table, added subtotals and grand totals, and changed the aggregation to average. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!